When an aircraft changes hands, timing and precision become everything. What you see here is one of the most complex redeliveries we've handled. A project where engineering depth, commercial coordination, and speed had to work together perfectly.
From technical side, the process was quite unique. First, the metal surfaces were treated with chemical paint removal, and all composite surfaces were sanded. The elevators were removed, weighted, stripped, painted separately, and reinstalled during the maintenance check.
So here in our facility, one of the most important things for the leasing companies is that in one spot, in one hangar, we are able to perform all, I would say, three major items what relates to aircraft redelivery project. It is heavy maintenance, aircraft livery change, and cabin modification and cabin related work. So I believe this is one of the most valuable items that can be for the leasing companies to have at the one place, one MRO and one location.
We carried out a bare metal inspection to identify all external structure findings. As you know, such issues can remain hidden under the layer of the paint, so this step was essential. To protect the surface and allow us safely to continue the maintenance work, we applied a temporary primer coating. That's why the aircraft is currently green-yellow. This solution was coordinated and approved with Airbus and allowed us to proceed with repairs and technical checks without any delay. Once all repairs and maintenance tasks are completed, the aircraft will be fully repainted in new operator colors.